Good evening. Okay. And welcome to
Good evening,
my
sir.
one-to-one mentoring. Okay. Or you can say the career counseling. So this platform is my audience is hungry to listen to you. Okay. So just be open, okay, and tell
Okay,
everything
sir.
about yourself, your IT background, you are from or non-IT background or IT background, how many years of experience you are, or you are a fresher, right? And what is your area of interest, right? And everything you can just
Okay.
brief me about that. Then according to that, we'll see that where you are getting stuck, okay, and what is the best
Okay,
possible
sir.
path for you I can provide. Okay.
Okay, sir. First of all, introduce myself. I am Suresh Krishnan. Uh, I had done BCA, sir.
Mm,
Okay. I worked in the BBO for 7 years.
mhm.
Now I did Argus CSA certification course. Now I want to work in Linux.
CSA course. Okay. Anything else? This is very short and crisp. Okay, Suresh. So, few things I am going to ask you, Suresh, right? Because almost, so you done a BCA, right? So, what I'm telling is you have done a BCA, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I done
After
BCA.
that, you said 7 years you have worked somewhere, right?
Yes, sir. I
So,
worked in the BBO, sir.
BPO you have worked on. Very, no problem. BPO. Okay. So, what type of a work you are doing over there, Suresh?
Sir, I worked as a data entry operator for 2 years.
Hmm.
And after 2 years,
Hmm.
I worked as a quality analyst, sir.
QA. Okay.
Two
Very good.
years.
Okay. And from so total years of experience is 7, and you are still working, or you have left your job, or how it is like?
No, sir, I left my job, sir.
Okay, no problem. I can understand. Right. And you are preparing. You have already done a RHCSA certification, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So before going into anything, like if you understand from the market point of view, Suresh, because you are going to show those 7 years, right, into whichever the
Yes, sir.
profile you are going to be, right, whether it's a application support or it's I would say Linux administration role, right, or I'm not immediately will push you because you are coming from a background where you have almost non-technical, I would say, knowledge. Correct?
Yes, sir.
You have not an idea about your platform. You don't know anything about cloud. You don't know anything about the tools is being used, right, for the operation
Yes,
and management. But what I understand from you, because since you have worked in a support role, basically this is a kind of a BPO is basically a support, right? So you have a
yes, sir.
understanding of how a support works, right?
Yes, sir.
So you might have used some kind of a tools over there, right?
Yes, sir.
Some ticketing tools, right?
No, sir.
Mm,
It's kind of data entry and quality analysis only, sir.
okay,
Um,
fine.
I don't work on any tools.
But you have at least understanding of working culture, right? How a IT industry works, right?
Yes,
Fine.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
Now, I just wanted to understand from your point of view, what do you understand? Where is the current market is going on?
No idea, sir.
No problem. No problem, Suresh. Now, the next question is that what is your area of interest? I just wanted to understand where you see yourself, okay? Or you are just thinking, no, I just wanted to get into Linux administration and I need to kickstart my real technical journey.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to uh, explore my career in next domain, sir.
You are giving very short and crisp answer. No worries. Okay, okay. So if you are no need to get, I would say like scared and all. This is for you only. This counseling is for you only, Suresh. Okay. So just be
Okay,
open
sir.
up. Let me know anything, whichever, whatever it's coming in your mind. Okay. So, but
Okay,
what
sir.
I understand that you are very clear, okay, what you want to do currently, correct? And that is one good thing. That is what I have seen. It's not only so many members, I am been doing this mentoring since very long, and taking the mock interviews also, and it's for my current organization also. Before that also, right? I have been doing, but when I see someone who is very clear about what he wants to do, so that is the first step, Suresh. Okay, and
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
so what I understand is you are mostly going to focus on your foundation first. So that is your Linux, and you are doing good. Okay, so fine. Since you have done RHCSA, so have you done any course, or you have just gone for the RHCSA certification?
Sir,
See,
I don't get.
yeah, so what I'm asking Suresh is, see, you have done RHCSA certification, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So, have you done before that any Red Hat course or a Linux training or from anywhere or from my channel or
Yes, sir. I watched the YouTube videos for practicing,
Mhm.
uh, but I don't have any on the experience, sir.
No,
Practical
I
experience.
okay. See, you need to be a little bit open up, Suresh. I'm not understanding. You said you done RHCSA certification, right? How you have prepared for that one?
Sir, I joined in course centers in center, sir.
Hmm.
I practicing here there, sir.
Okay, so
I
there you
practicing
have.
for exam
Okay.
in center, sir.
Okay, yeah, there is a Prometric center for that one, Suresh, right? So
Yes,
in that
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Prometric center, we need to give this. There will be 20 questions, right? And 300
Yes,
is
sir.
the total, and 210 is the passing marks. I think you are aware of this
Yes,
one, right?
sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
but my question is again over there. I just want to understand. See, I need to understand where exactly you are, Suresh. Okay, because you are just one word you are giving me that, sir, I have done RHCSA certification. So I am trying to understand in depth what knowledge you have, because if somebody has done RHCSA certification, it means he has prepared it for that one. There are two ways. You have seen in the exams, like normally you are able to hear me, Suresh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you what normally if you see somebody is going for the 10th exam or some preparing for IIT JEE or for any exam, they'll prepare last 5 year questions, right? The question
Yes,
banks
sir.
they'll prepare. So here, that is what I just wanted to have you completely understand, because see, those 20 questions are from all the topics, from the user management, from the package management, from the servers, from the for everything, right? Some basic questions binding, there will be so many questions will be there. So, have you
Yes, sir.
gone through those topics? Have you learned those topics, or you have just practiced those questions and directly went for the RHCSA certification?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I don't know too much of English. That's why I'm
Okay,
struggling.
okay, okay, okay.
But I understand your wedding, sir.
You are understanding my point, Suresh. Suresh, it is very much required. I know you have worked in a BPO where native language is preferred because we need to support customer. But when you have
Okay,
to
sir.
deal with when you are into this IT industry, okay, so even I would not say we need, there is no native language. We need to talk something which is a global language, right?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
I can't see you, Suresh.
Sir, sorry, sir.
Okay. So thing is that we need to speak in a global language. The reason behind that one, we have to interact with the clients. It's not only with the clients, because also with the team members, and we don't know, because it's a different set of people you are going to interact on a daily basis. Correct. So the
Yes, sir.
client could be from the Europe, the client, because the work could be from the US, right? When we are giving support
Yes, sir.
to any of the project. So this is why. Okay, so still, because I'm not able to understand how much knowledge you have, Suresh. Okay, so what I can do is, because you have almost 7 years of experience as a non-IT, I would say. Okay, so you can convert that one obviously into a, technical journey to a IT, I would say, and that is good idea that you want to start with Linux administration. So my suggestion
Okay,
is
sir.
for you immediately. So because you are not sure from where to start, that is what I am understanding. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Where to start? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So to
Yes, sir.
kickstart, first you start go through all the topics. Even
Okay, sir.
you can opt for my Linux 100 Days of IT Corporate Bootcamp. There are two things, Suresh, in that one. See, there is one batch, it's going on where I'm taking the classes. Almost 50
Okay, sir.
days is already over. Rest 50 days
Okay, sir.
is there. So Linux and shell scripting is almost done. So now only the cloud and the AWS and the monitoring tools are left. Okay. So I
Okay, sir.
have given a complete platform which is required to build a career, especially in the operation and management. I call this entire thing as operation and management. Okay, into this one.
Okay, sir.
So, whoever wants to start as a Linux administrator journey, also they can go for that live courses. If you want, you can take the Google Drive access also. If you want to join the live classes, also you can join the live classes. Okay, I'll take that one
Okay, sir.
offline. But now, the first thing is according to me, and there is already a playlist also in my channel where you can go. I
Okay,
have
sir.
explained multiple times because see, you need, if you are going to mention those 7 years, Suresh, okay, so there will be questions, and Linux 100 plus interview question and answer is also there. So you, if you
Okay,
go
sir.
through those interview question and answer, that is enough to qualify any of the interview at years of experience, which is 7 plus. I said it contains all set of questions, Suresh, for a Linux administration,
Okay, sir.
plus shell scripting is also there. So no worries, Suresh. So for me, what I would say, you just start going through all my playlist, whatever it's there in my channel, right? At the
Okay,
same
sir.
time, you should go with those Linux 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp which I have designed. So initially, your current target should be like that, you should get a job in Linux administration and spend some time with that one. Because
Okay, sir.
for me, it's like your foundation is nothing. At least I don't see anything. This is why I'm not telling you to immediately jump into some cloud or somewhere else. First, you need to understand your foundation, okay? For you, especially.
Okay, sir.
So gather a
Okay, sir.
knowledge for next at least 2 3 months. You need to give your full, and then after that, I'll tell you how to prepare your resume for these 7 years, because these 7 years you have a genuine experience, and what all things you need to mention, what all roles and responsibility you need to mention for the 7 years as a Linux system administrator, and then you can start updating your resume and you can search for the
Okay,
job.
sir.
That also I am going to tell you, and it's already there in my channel also, how to apply
Okay, sir.
for a job. There are different ways to apply, that also I have explained, but this is your approach. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so don't see here and there, and don't listen to anyone. uh,
Okay, sir.
But one more thing I would say for you, that you should start working on your communication skills also. I don't feel as of now that you have problem with communication. Might be you are not
Yes, sir.
understanding some of my things.
I have some nervous, sir.
Okay. Because you have worked in BPO, right? So I don't think so
Yes, sir.
communication is going to be a problem for you, right? And that is
Yes, sir.
absolutely fine, right? Your pronunciations are also very clear, right? You are paying attention what I am saying, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is what the main thing is, that you should listen to others. That is very good habit, right? So I appreciate that one. And work on some vocabs. Okay, vocabs means
O-
right. So you will get more understanding what the other person, or watch some English movies and all. So there
Yes,
are
sir.
many. I'm not promoting anything over here. Netflix is there. There are many Amazon. Some OTT platforms are there. Watch those and understand how they are talking and all, right? So that is going to
Okay.
help you, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
that is important, right? Because I told you
Okay.
it's a global market, information technology. So you need to be in your toe, right? So
I understand, sir.
fine, and start uh, immediately with those playlists which I have suggested, and just
Okay,
connect
sir.
with me for that Linux 100 days of IT corporate boot camp access, like for the Google Drive, or
Okay,
if you
sir.
want to go for the live classes, that also I'll let you know. Okay. Anything else I can
Okay,
help
sir.
you with, Suresh?
Okay, sir. Sir, I have some doubts.
Yes, please.
Sir, I studied diploma computer science, and after 2 years, I have completed BCA in distance education, sir.
Hmm.
Is there any problem to start such a job?
Not at all. Because in my previous videos also, I have told you when you go for a job description, right? So immediately you can see in the JD that they will mention some specialization, right? So in that specialization, they will clear mention that okay, any graduate, they specially mention because few of the organization has they want especially like they need a undergraduate, they need a person who is BTech, who is B, right? Who is done masters, who is having almost 15 plus years of education, right? But
Uh,
yeah. So, Suresh, in that one, I would clearly say that if you see those specialization, okay, in that they will mention any graduate. So there is not at all a
okay, sir.
problem for you. Don't worry about that one. I have. It's not
Okay, sir.
like I'm not. You know me. I don't talk anything like blah blah and all those things, right? I talk on the basis of some data, right? So I'm telling you very
Yes, sir.
honestly, it doesn't matter when it depends upon organization to organization, right? What is their requirement,
Yes, sir.
correct? So if you go and see that one,
Yes, sir.
you will come to know that they'll clearly mention that they need any graduate or they need a undergraduate or a BTech or like that. There are so many companies, there is n number of companies, okay? So we need to see the
Okay, sir.
JD, we need to see the specialization. That's it. And then we need to apply for that job. My suggestion is that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
you no
sir.
need to worry. Any other doubt, Suresh?
Yes, sir. I have resigned my job. It's been 1 year. Is there any drawback to get a job? The career gap, 1 year career gap, sir.
Hmm. See, two, three things. Obviously, because since you will go for a new job, right? So they will ask
Yes,
you.
sir.
So it's been almost 1 year now, right? So
Yes, sir.
my suggestion is that just take 1 to 2 months. Don't delay much now, and just
Okay, sir.
start deep dive into that Linux administration. Learn each and everything. Learn shell scripting immediately, and then start applying for.
Yes,
Just take, just make 60 days as your target because it's not required much. There is enough content available in my channel also, and I have suggested also how to proceed further. So for that, you can start going through all those things. And next, after 2 months, it should be your. I would say that you should start applying for the jobs because this 1 year you can justify also. There are many reasons. You can tell honestly that there have been some financial issues going in your family. Due to some personal reason, I quit my job. There are reasons are there, which is genuine and which is honest also, right? And I see my
okay, sir.
career because I was not getting enough opportunity over there. That is also true, right? So for the
Yes,
career
sir.
growth, I have taken and I have learned few tools and technology during these days, right? So this is
Yes.
why you have taken a career gap. And according to me, most feasible answer for this one, you can mention that you have some personal problems, so you have taken a break. Okay, you no need to mention
Okay, sir.
something specific. Just mention you have some personal problems, okay, which you have to be sorted out first, okay, and
Okay,
then you
sir.
can you want to switch again. So it's a switch off, switch on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So any other doubt, Suresh?
No, sir. I'm done.
Think,
I have
see,
no
I am
doubts.
available, you know, right? I am available almost whenever you'll ping me, I'll try to answer if I am
Okay,
available.
sir.
Okay. And 100%
Okay,
I'm
sir.
going to give you the answers. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you please review my resume, sir?
Yes, please send me. If you have ready with that one, then send me your resume. Okay, let me validate
Hmm.
it. And if you want to go for the mock interview also for the Linux
Okay,
administration,
sir.
let me know. I'll take your mock interview also.
Okay, sir. Sir, I sent in Teams, sir.
Okay, I'll validate and I'll let you know, Suresh. Don't worry about that one.
Uh,
Anything else,
okay,
Suresh, I
sir.
can help you with?
No, sir.
Okay.
I don't.
So it's a nice talking to you, Suresh. Have a good day. Just take care
Thank
of
you, sir.
yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.